Did you know that billions of messages are sent every single day through messaging apps? But honestly, many users have no idea how exposed their private conversations can be. From hackers to data leaks, your chats, photos, and personal information could be at risk if you're not using these apps securely. In today's video, we're going to walk through simple but powerful ways to protect your privacy on messaging apps. Whether you use WhatsApp, Telegram, Signal, or Facebook Messenger, these tips will help keep your conversations safe. Let's get started. The first step to protecting your privacy is choosing the right messaging app. Some apps use end-to-end encryption, which ensures that only you and the person you're messaging can read the conversation. Even the company running the app cannot access the messages. Apps known for strong encryption include Signal, WhatsApp, and Telegram, but only in secret chats. If your messaging app does not support encryption, your conversations may be stored on servers and potentially accessed by attackers. Another essential security step is enabling two-factor authentication, also called 2FA. This means that even if someone gets your password, they still cannot access your account without a second verification step. Usually this includes a code sent to your phone, an authentication app, or even a security key. Many messaging platforms like WhatsApp and Telegram allow you to activate this in their security settings. Turning this on can dramatically reduce the chances of account hijacking. One of the most common ways accounts get compromised is through phishing attacks. Hackers often send messages pretending to be friends, companies, or support teams. They may include suspicious links asking you to reset your password, claim a prize, or verify your account. Never click unknown links inside messages. Always verify with the sender first. If something feels suspicious, it probably is. If someone gets physical access to your phone, they could easily read your messages. That's why you should enable app locks or biometric authentication such as fingerprint lock, face recognition, or passcode protection. Apps like Signal and WhatsApp allow you to add an extra lock for your chats. This keeps your conversations safe even if your phone is unlocked. Most messaging apps have privacy controls that, honestly, a lot of users never even check. Inside the settings, you can control who can see your profile photo, your online status, your last seen timestamp, and even who can add you to groups. For example, in WhatsApp, you can set these options to My Contacts or even Nobody. Taking just a few minutes to review these settings can, significantly improve your privacy. Public Wi-Fi networks at airports, cafes, and hotels can sometimes expose your data to attackers. When you're sending sensitive information, it's best to avoid unsecured networks. But if you absolutely have to use public Wi-Fi, consider using a virtual private network, or VPN, to encrypt your internet traffic. Developers are always releasing updates to fix security vulnerabilities. If you ignore updates, your device might stay exposed to known threats. So, always keep your messaging apps and your phone's operating system updated. Security patches are, honestly, critical for protecting your private data. Messaging apps make communication incredibly convenient, but they also carry privacy risks if they're used carelessly. By following these simple steps, use encrypted messaging apps, enable two-factor authentication, avoid phishing links, lock your apps, review privacy settings, and avoid risky networks, you can dramatically improve your messaging security. Your privacy is really worth protecting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help others stay safe online. And, hey, let me know in the comments, which messaging app do you trust the most for privacy? Thanks for watching, and stay secure online.